Hello and welcome to Smart Construction. The purpose of this particular movie segment is to demonstrate some of the new capabilities in Smart Construction to support advanced work package planning. This typically starts out at a level 3. As you can see here, I've got a level 3 Primavera schedule that has all my major construction work packages, and these may be thousands or tens of thousands of man hours and durations of months. But you typically start off at this level of planning, and then Smart Plant Construction has the capability to allow you to import that information from your Primavera schedule into Smart Plant Construction to begin your detailed planning as it relates to the construction work areas and construction work packages. So you can see here we can load in the major contracts, the contractors, the major construction work packages that will be assigned to them, and bring in the planned dates for those. And this will be the departure point to begin to detail out these construction work packages within Smart Plant Construction. So once you've imported those in, you will have those available in your work package browser, so you can drill down from your construction work areas. As you can see, the major construction work areas on this offshore platform, it's going to allow you to drill down into the major construction work packages within those construction work areas, and subsequently you can define your installation work packages, which is what you see here, essentially a drill down from CWA to CWP, and then on into the field installation work packages, which in turn can then be detailed out into their detailed components and work step level. So in a progressive type fashion, you can start out with your CWPs, associate those to CWAs, and also then continue down into the definition of the IWPs, the components that make up those, and the actual work steps for each of those components. So a nice new feature to define that hierarchy. Now, once you've done that and define the contents of those construction work packages, you will be able to see that content in the context of the three-dimensional model. So you see now we've always had filters to be able to filter by discipline, etc. But now we've exposed a series of filters to allow you to see the major construction work packages. As you can see, the entire jacket of the offshore platform, the boat landing ramp, the top deck, the immediate top deck, the control room, etc., and so on. As you go down through the major equipment, the piping systems, process systems themselves, etc., and so on. So you'll be able to visualize those in the context of each other, and to begin to take that down to even lower levels. And drill down and then take a look at the initial deck. You can see that, and in the context of that, you can see the major skid and module placement up on that deck. So at a different fidelity, you can have your large construction work packages, you can have your smaller module-based construction work packages, and your installation work package down at the very detailed spool level. So a nice new feature to allow for the definition of your CWAs and CWPs and the visualization of those via filters in the model. And you can also animate those. We've expanded the capability of traditionally being able to animate at the IWP level. We've enhanced that now to allow you to choose to do that at the construction work package level. And at that point in time, you can actually set up an animation just like you did for your IWPs. You can set up that to run for your major construction work areas, and visualize that over time with different color coding for plan start, plan finish, and actual start and actual finish, and then play that back for analysis to determine construction sequence and the path of construction. You can view that within the three-dimensional model. So the expansion of this capability it allows you to do detailed planning at the CWP level initially, and then to move forward with that as you begin to get more detailed planning at the CWP mid-level and also at the IWP level. So you're seeing an animation here of the first deck of the platform with the major module skids being installed on top of that. So a nice new feature within Smart Plant Construction to support advanced work package planning. Now you can do an animation, but once you begin to claim progress against these packages, we've also expanded the capability to allow you to export that out. So now when you export out your progress information at the IWP level, you'll be able to filter which CWPs you actually want to generate this export back at the very CWP level and export that back out for subsequent import back here to your project schedule. So a nice new feature within Smart Plant Construction with our continuing support of advanced work package planning. Thank you.